I don't know. God send me to tell Jamaica say Vybz Kartel can tap the youth them from fire one whole heap of shot. One whole heap of shot the DJ can tap the youth them from fire one whole heap of shot. So me I say, make me have a steady conversation upon just that alone. Me know when you say me to talk about people, but sometimes Carbonians have to talk. If it is positive, you can say it. But sometimes I don't want to say some negative things and I know so I have to just keep my mouth shut. But this positive Carbonians, I am looking at how influential Vybz Kartel is. I have to know Carbonians. To me don't go to school, but me no feel say nothing name wrong, you know. Just like how nobody never young yet. No human being never one day young yet. Everybody 1 minute old. So young can delete. If it is not your surname, nobody never young yet. See? So I don't feel say nothing really near wrong, you know. The man who know the right and keep on doing it wrong, yes, I go get spanked. But in a them a youth here, brain not really near wrong, everything right for them. So whatsoever them believe, that is the right thing for them at this moment. See, and I look upon it and I say, who Jamaica can get, who the government can get for contact to the youth and to say, yo, me I beg you, pull on the gun. It's only one man. When you try to bounty killer all the while, when you try to Beenie Man all the while, when you try to Tony Rebel them and all of them, and them the youth them want to hear from, the youth them don't care zero about them. If you think I joke me I make, when you try to, when you can get Lucia and a Sizzler them Capleton them, the youth them care zero. The youth they will listen to them sing, but they don't want to listen to them talk. The youth they don't have no power over them a little youth. Them a youth they little 20-year-old youth a Kartel of them daddy. Kartel is them father. They don't want to hear nothing from them. They don't want to hear nothing from the government. They don't want to hear nothing. Kartel is them Governor General. They call him world boss. And them and him and feed them world boss. Then don't want to hear nothing from Donald Trump. Donald Trump could have put a rope around his neck and jump off it like any gutter, them don't care. They not even take a joke out of it. They not even take it to make mockery. A Kartel alone the youth them care about. Good or bad, that's only who they care about, brother. And me I going to show you something. Me I going to show you the generation gap with Kartel control. And I hope when you share this and make it reach to some people ears. Share this, make it reach to some people ears. Vybz Kartel control anybody in their 40s. Kartel control them. Anybody in them close 50 where love dancehall, Kartel control them too. So Kartel control all who in their 20s. None escape. I am telling all you these things because God said, Cargo, what me do? Cut off my life. Tell me cut off my life. Oh. Share it, Carbonians. Only give me one whole heap of share and make this soak through the whole of Jamaica. Kartel, Mama Dimples, let me put it on Facebook. Let me put it my thing on Facebook. Because sometimes, Mama, me in this dancehall business and this is my job. And me finally, I go talk and tell you guys the truth. Kartel control them. Me I go tell you the truth. Me I go tell you guys the truth. Me I go tell you guys this truth which part God want. This morning, give me one whole heap of share. God want me talk the truth. Speak the truth. Or else not it quite it will or all different type of thing. We can say brother, this is not ignorance, because me I said the same thing last week. And you have a thing when majority rule. Just like somebody will come on my page and then try to bring me down, and through them sister, them alone, brother, them disappear. Me now, Delroy, me know you check for me, but this is something we want you to listen to. And you see, when we listen to something with spot you never expect me to say, it will make you even check for me even more. 99.9% of every artist will never come out this morning and say, you know, Cartel really control the population. And him, you know, and it deeper that people, it reach, the man thing reach, that's deeper than music, brother. In thing reach, that's deeper than music. And we can't have a tail up in our back until we get to the root of the problem. And I am not saying Vybz Kartel is a problem. Vybz Kartel figure out a way how to sell music and how to market himself. Once upon a time, when Sizzla them did figure out say a lax for head when I run things, then they come out and I make one act like they're holy more than Jesus. That was just a scam. Vybz Kartel figure out say me I go just be the baddest thing whisper dancehall ever see. He never expects it did ever send him out of prison. Because him did just bright and brilliant and I talk about lyrics, brother. Till him end up now, no say, yo, me have to put myself in a position where I can defend my lyrics. Because when you chat certain lyrics, it end up come with a certain pressure. Just like in a hip-hop music, if you come out as a gangster rapper, please give me the share them. If you come out as a gangster rapper, you have to go put a whole heap of gangster on yourself, because when you come around, when you go to Chicago, real bad man, you go want to test of yourself, you're bad for true. So Vybz Kartel end up have to put himself in a situation. But get back to the positive part of it now, Delroy. The positive part of this, word, sound, and power. Word, sound, and power, brother. Word, sound and power. Vybz Kartel put out one whole heap of music. I talk about the rifle them and all different type of something, and you see it at work. And it is powerful. Now, I say, when you plant gun seed, you bear gun tree, brother. So, look what going on in our country, brother. Only Vybz Kartel alone can tell the youth themselves, cool down. Even if they're not going to put on your gun, you can say, cool it down. And the only way them are going to listen is not when in there behind bars, brother. The government have to go take him out for 1 week or 1, 2 weeks. They never do it yet. But there's, Papa, God make laws. And mankind broke them. As a matter of fact, God no make rules and law neither. God make commandment. And mankind break all of them, brother. So, mankind rules can be broken for even 2 weeks to fix the problem what we are faced in a Jamaica, brother. You notice the youth them kind of cool down a little. When the government say Corona lockdown, them kind of cool down. But look here now, as soon as that gone back, he gone back to the same normal problem. See, some man just say, yo, I hope Corona no kill the boy David, you know, because I'm supposed to name David food. David food supposed to get eaten by me. See, so all the human beings can come out and talk to you, them brother, and say, yo, you know, calm down, man. You know, look good for my situation, you know. It's Vybz Kartel, brother. You could have get 100 beanie and 100 bounty if you come and talk. He just a fly through the youth them ears and go back through the next one and go through for their friend and go through for their other friend, brother. It's simply not stuck in a grit. I can't tell words alone have grit in a them youth. I mean I tell you say, if me just tell you say Vybz Kartel control all who in a 40. Is Vybz Kartel control them? And if you might have feel so just because you might have branch off and I think a little bit more sensible right now, it mean he no control you same way. You are 40. You pick me there at 25 and 21 and 22. Vybz Kartel control him 100%. And guess what? Him give your grand pitney now, so Vybz Kartel get a rub off a 3 generation of you already, brother. 3 generation of you Vybz Kartel get a rub off with ease. So you might have said, freak Vybz Kartel, no. That with Vybz Kartel, go with Vybz Kartel. I know say some Cargonians over here, so I say, Cargo, why you talk about Vybz? Cargonians, Marcus Garvey that talk about him. The book say, Beatrice tell me this. The devil black but don't paint him too black. If somebody work up their way to be the most influential in a your decade or your era, brother, whether good or bad, you have to go talk about him. Vybz Kartel sail past Dodos and he sail past Natty Mag and them. Him is more influential than them. He sail past Zeeks them. And a music he sing. Can you imagine a man can sail past the body set of bad man them by singing music, brother? The man sail past Beenie Man in a music, he sail past Bounty Killer in a music. See, he sail, me no see Whisper thing walk. The man go up a Huey and make one speech, and the brightest man up a Huey never make that speech yet. You idiot. The man go Huey or up over there in college there. I don't want to make no mistake and tell no lie on him. Ed Beatrice Williams Gale tell me say the devil black but don't paint him too black. God say what due to Caesar, give it to Caesar, brother. Pastor Blair don't powerful like Vybz Kartel. And the one when it carrying Dodos no can't gene to see the power and the influence that Vybz Kartel have over all in data, brother. You have to understand these things. Not until we can come down off our pumps and our pride and give Caesar what due to Caesar. Brother, God no like Caesar. God no wants to see Caesar. And God say, why you whore Caesar? Give it to Caesar. If you guys don't understand, and you politicians don't understand how influential Vybz Kartel is, and when blood start, wait till the corona sitting here over. You just wait until this corona thing over. Iman is the idol. Vybz Kartel is the most idolized human being on planet Earth.